Now, as far as the mention that did not come, however, yesterday in Parliament was General Narawane's book leak, alleged suspected leak that is now said to be under scanner. Sources say that the mandatory MOD clearance may have been bypassed. A deliberate leak is now being suspected, with the investigators probing what they describe as a systematic and a calculated move. An online extract was published first, after which the PDF copies reportedly flooded the market. The preprint dispatch of the overseas copies is also something that is being examined, and a possible recall of the books is now under lens, with the ISBN details that are also said to be scrutinized, and the publisher is also likely to be questioned. Because the publisher, Priyank, in this case, and as far as General Narawane is concerned, have now put it on record that the book has not been officially released. Then how did the LOP get a hand on his the copy? How did he get access to the copy of the book?
That's matter of investigation for Delhi Police. That's why notice has been issued to the publisher, and what we got to know that the Delhi Police is looking at the larger conspiracy probe behind this. Because Amita, it was quite clear that the particular copy could not have been shared without the permission of someone who has been an insider for this particular organization. It was quite clear that over the period of many months, Narawane's unpublished memoir, which was leaked, was an attempt to bypass the MOD's clearance, because the MOD clearance was sought for this particular book, and sources have said that the leak was done deliberately to ignore any kind of proposal which was being sent by from the MOD side, which is the Ministry of Defense side, to stop it. Investigators are also following that whether the extract of the article published online first and the PDF of the book, which was floated in the market later, was done in a systematic manner, so that there could have been a very clear-cut synergy. For sure, Amita, Rahul Gandhi will have to give his explanation that how he got the book or whether his office got the book. But the Delhi Police investigation is now focusing that whether the printed copy of the book was also dispatched. So everything is trying to
so this is serious.
show.
If there is a breach as far as the mandatory MOD or the Ministry of Defense clearance, if it has been bypassed, then who did it? Was it a deliberate leak? That is now being suspected and also being investigated. Thank you very much for the moment, Priyank, for getting us all those details. We'll be standing by for more developments. In the meantime, we head into a short break.